Good morning, my name is Attilio Rubino, CEO at PR Rubino. Since 1978, we have been producing simple and synchronized conveyor belts, flat and toothed belts, and special custom-made technical products. Today, I'm going to present you Eterdect TPU flexible slabs, created to meet the needs of hygiene requirements in the food industry. What is Eterdect? It is a polyurethane monolithic produced in flexible slabs, with its distinguishing feature of being traceable by metal detectors, which are always positioned after the packaging in the food industry process. Within the food industry packaging and production cycle, Eterdect substitutes plastics not traceable by metal detectors, which if they accidentally break, may end up inside food packaging. Here are some successful practical examples: gasket and machine guards, covering of slipways for conveying products, covering of weighing and hopper scales, covering of silos mouths, conveyor belt containing side barriers. We are now going to show some important advantages. Unchanged traceability of the product in the work cycle. We have created the product which is traceable by the metal detector positioned on only one side. Consequently, during its use, the traceable area in square inches remains unchanged. Polymer, made of non-hygroscopic thermoplastic polyurethane. This special formula, from which it is manufactured, makes the raw material waterproof. The advantages will be improved hygiene and a reduction in the bacterial count. Available in 3 different hardness varieties for different requirements: 65 Shore, scratch resistant; 80 Shore, resistant to normal friction; 92 Shore, resistant to high scraping. Also available in the BF series double-sided Eterdect version, suitable for cases in which the slab is prone to wear on both sides. 2 colors are available, the first being opaque grey, the second blue on the food contact side and dark grey on the other. Here are some of the possible use sectors: the pasta industry, frozen food industry, confectionery industry, baking industry, and canning industry. Another useful practical example is industrial automation. We can avoid tools or objects from falling onto the tracks where vehicles automatically roll along by creating closure barriers of the channeling as they roll through. When the slab loses its color and becomes transparent, this means it is time to substitute it, thus avoiding risks of machinery breaking. Thank you for your attention. For further information, you can read the information leaflet Eterdect Traceable Polyurethane Slab on our website www.prrubino.it.